Chief Minister Khemchand has declared that passenger service will resume along Imphal National Highway No. 2 at the earliest. Chief Minister Khemchand said this during his visit at Kangpokpi district today. And during his visit, Chief Minister Khemchand was received by villages of Gamgifai and Damdai. Later, he reached District Hospital in Kangpokpi, where he inaugurated the newly established district dialysis unit and interacted with patients and hospital staffs. He also inaugurated a district blood storage facility at the hospital. Chief Minister also handed over an ambulance to hospital authority, and later Chief Minister proceeded to multi-purpose hall at ADC office and flagged off solid waste management vehicles and also handed over plastic collection banks to 5 villages. He also distributed various incentives, financial assistance, direct benefit transfer benefits and materials to displaced persons. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Khemchand said the ongoing crisis has badly affected the present and future generations, and with the aim to alleviate the suffering and problem of common people, Chief Minister announced that agreement has been reached to open the Imphal National Highway for movement of passenger vehicles under tight security. The Chief Minister added that this crucial step will ease the financial burden of common people while going outside the state. On the other hand, Deputy Chief Minister Khemchand also substantiated the statement of Chief Minister Khemchand regarding resumption of passenger service along Imphal National Highway, while asserting that national highways belong to all communities living in the state.